Welcome. If you're looking to enhance your Pinterest experience by turning on app sounds, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable app sounds on the Pinterest mobile app. Whether you miss those satisfying clicks and pops or you just want a more interactive feel while browsing, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, look towards the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your profile options and settings menu, which is where all the magic happens. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Account Management. Go ahead and tap on it. This section houses various settings that let you customize your Pinterest experience, including privacy, security, and, of course, sound preferences. Within the Account Management section, look for the toggle switch labeled App Sounds. If you see that it's currently off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. You'll know it's enabled when the toggle changes color or slides to the right, depending on your device. And that's it. You've just turned on App Sounds for Pinterest. Now, as you scroll, tap, and explore new ideas, you'll enjoy those little audio cues that make the app feel more lively and engaging. If you ever want to turn the sounds off again, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back off. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your favorite apps. Happy pinning and enjoy your new Pinterest sound experience.